Alif Lam Mim. Only 3 letters, just 3. Yet for centuries, scholars, saints, and mystics have pondered over these letters, seeking the secrets hidden within. Some say they contain doors to knowledge that shakes the heavens and the earth. Tonight, we will explore Surah al-Baqarah, the longest chapter of the Qur'an, not just verse by verse, but story by story, secret by secret. We will walk through the streets of Medina, sit with the companions, witness the reactions of the scholars, and understand the power and wisdom of every word revealed. By the end of this video, you will not only know the story behind these verses, but also feel their impact in your own life. So stay with me, because the journey we are about to begin is unlike any other. Imagine the streets of Medina, quiet in the evening. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, sits with his companions, reciting newly revealed verses. His voice echoes not just as ordinary words, but as divine guidance. Among the listeners are Jewish scholars, ahbar, people steeped in the Torah for generations. They are shocked. This unlettered man, who has never studied under rabbis or priests, speaks letters that seem simple, Alif Lam Mim, but carry a weight no worldly education could explain. Whispers spread. Who taught him these letters? How can he speak with such authority? And yet, no book in his hand, no notes, no schooling, only revelation. A new community is forming, Muslims, Jews, and polytheists living side by side. Medina is transforming into a society structured by faith, wisdom, and justice. Alif Lam Mim. Scholars throughout history have debated its meaning. Some say only Allah knows its full secret. Some see it as proof of the Qur'an's miraculous nature, a challenge: create a text like this using the same letters. Spiritual interpretations suggest Alif symbolizes the oneness of Allah, Lam as divine address, and Mim as creation, or even pointing to Prophet Muhammad. These letters are more than symbols. They are a divine announcement. This is no ordinary speech. This is the book about which there is no doubt, guidance for the muttaqin. Those who believe in the unseen, establish prayer, and spend from what Allah has provided them. Here begins the foundation of faith, belief in the unseen, trust in the world beyond what senses perceive. Angels, the hereafter, divine wisdom, all invisible yet profoundly real. Establishing prayer connects the unseen to our daily life, 5 times a day, a structured bond with Allah. Spending from provision, charity is not optional, it is proof of belief. Like a seed breaking soil, the believer lets go of attachment and grows in strength. Faith is not isolated. Believers also recognize previous revelations. Respecting Moses, Jesus, and all prophets ties the community to a long chain of divine guidance. Islam is a continuation, not a break, and believers are heirs to a universal history. Yet some hearts remain sealed. These are the disbelievers who knowingly reject the truth. Allah does not oppress them, they choose denial. Their hearts harden, their vision narrows, and the natural consequence is darkness in the soul. Then there are the hypocrites, outwardly appearing faithful, inwardly plotting, calculating, seeking benefit from both sides. Their hearts are diseased with doubt, their intentions twisted. They try to deceive Allah and the believers, but only deceive themselves without even realizing it. From the initial verses, Allah establishes 5 unshakable qualities of muttaqin: belief in the unseen, prayer, charity, acceptance of previous revelations, and certainty in the hereafter. These qualities create a character capable of enduring trials, nurturing society, and achieving eternal success. Practical lessons for today. Charity transforms wealth from possession into provision. Share knowledge, time, and kindness. Prayer builds inner strength. Recognizing shared truths with other faiths promotes dialogue rather than division.
honesty prevents hypocrisy from corroding society, and awareness of the hereafter grounds life in accountability and purpose. Metaphors help the mind see. The hypocrite is like a man lighting a fire in darkness, feeling temporary warmth only for the fire to extinguish, returning him to deeper darkness. Charity and prayer are like water flowing through a dry land, nourishing everything in reach. The Qur'an exposes three groups: believers, disbelievers, and hypocrites. Believers walk toward light, guided by divine principles. Disbelievers have sealed hearts, lost by choice. Hypocrites are dangerous, deceptive, and self-destructive. The story of Abdullah ibn Ubay shows how greed, fear, and pride create spiritual decay. His words and actions illustrate the consequences of playing both sides. The Quran uses vivid imagery: deaf, mute, blind, symbolizing chosen ignorance and the refusal to return to truth. This dramatization makes the moral lesson unforgettable. If you feel inspired by these teachings, make your intention sincere. Share this message with others. Like, comment, and subscribe so that more people can benefit from the timeless wisdom of Surah al-Baqarah. And if this video reaches 20,000 likes, we will continue with the next deep exploration of this blessed surah. Remember, worship your Lord, strengthen your faith, give generously, and live with honesty. The doors of guidance are open for those who seek sincerely. In our next episode, we will journey deeper into the hidden wisdom of the verses, uncovering mysteries that have guided generations of believers. Stay with us and let the light of Al-Baqarah illuminate your heart and your community.